Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about linear function and slope. Okay, our problem says write the equation 4x plus 6y equals to 12 in the slope-intercept form. Determine the slope and the y-intercept of the graph. Then graph the equation. Okay, let's start by writing our equation here. So we have 4x plus 6y equals to 12. Our goal will be to take this equation and write it in the form y equals mx plus b. This is the slope-intercept form. Okay, that being said, what we need to do basically is just solve for y. So let's start doing that. We have 4x plus 6y equals to 12. Because we're solving for y, I will subtract 4x on both sides of the equation. 4x on the left side will cancel out, and we'll have 6y equals to negative 4x plus 12. Okay, then we need to divide by 6 each one of the elements. What happens with the 6 on the left side? It will cancel out and we'll have only y. Then we can simplify the 4 and the negative 4 and the 6. We'll have negative 2/3 by dividing each one by half. Negative 2/3 x, and 12 divided by 6, that is 2. As we can see now, this is our form y equals mx plus b. We have it here, right? Therefore, our value of m is going to be this negative 2/3, and our value of our intercept b will be that 2. So answering our questions from the problem, the equation in the slope-intercept form will be first y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2, and the intercept, the slope will be negative 2/3, and the intercept will be 0, 2. Okay, now if we need to graph this, it's okay for us to take two values. We will need two values for this in order to graph this line. So we have when x is 0, we know that y is 2. Now we're going to take strategically, we'll take a number 3. So we're basically replacing x with 3 to understand what is that y. Negative 2/3 times 3 plus 2. So what happens here is that the 3 and the 3 cancels out, and you have y equals to negative 2 plus 2. We have another intercept there, which is 3 and 0. So the points that we will have is 0, 2, right there. And the other point that we will have is 3, 0, right there. Okay, and we need to draw our line. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you.